Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how you are going to download your exam questions or any other documents that was shared to you by someone else. Okay, so my name is Okuno Muebudin. I'm your e-learning coach. So let's get into it. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let me know what you think about what I've said here. If you have any other additional comments on it or ideas about this topic, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. So let's get started. So you open the browser. So when you're on your browser, okay, so it's going to show that you are logged in over here. Can you see? So I'm logged in here. So let me access the file that has been shared to me, the examination question that has been sent to me, like the GSS1 questions for second time that was shared to me, okay, by my other email. So you come on these 9 dots here of apps, you click on it, and you come to your drive. So you click on drive. So the drive is loading. So when it's load, so you come to the left part here, you have your drive computer. As you come to shared with me, so you click on shared with me. So these are the files that have been shared with me. So this is the file, GSS1 file I'm talking about. So you open it. These are the questions there. Okay, so you just right click on this basic technology, okay, and click on download. So when you download, it's going to go straight into your laptop, okay, into your PC, to your computer. So sorry, now it has been downloaded. Here is it here. So it has finished downloading. I click on this arrow here, click on show in folder. So I click on show in folder. Here is it in my download file. Can you see? Basic technology is now on my laptop. So I can just open it up in my Microsoft Word. Can you see? Click on edit table. These are the questions. Okay, so these are the questions on my system. From here, I can go ahead and print. Go to file, print. Can you see? It has been printed. Okay, so this is how you are going to print it. Okay, so and if I go back to the file where it's being downloaded, here is it. From here, you can send it to your phone or through the Bluetooth or to your phone or to anybody that you want to go to his place and print it. Maybe you want to go and print it in a business center. So you can just come here and on my downloads, you can just come here, I click on it, you copy it into the drive or whatever folder they want to download it for. Please, I hope this video helps you to help you know how you are going to download your file from your Google Drive. So like I said, just open your drive, you go to your shared file, okay, and you see them there. You right click on it and you click on the download button. It's going to be downloaded on your system. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.